guys, my name is Jeremy, and today we're gonna do a water project. My question is, which material absorbs the most water? My prediction is the white paper is going to absorb the least and the sponge is going to absorb the most. My procedure is step 1, gather materials. The materials will be a bowl, a paper towel, white paper, a sock, a hand towel, sponge, and measuring cup. I'm going to spread it everywhere so that you guys could see it. Let's knock that down for a second. Make sure you could see this. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, step 2, prepare 5 cups of water. Here are my 5 cups of water. Step 3, prepare a notebook to record data. My notebook right here and a pencil. Step 4, measure a cup of water using measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. So now I'm gonna do that. Gotta make this perfect. Well, not perfect, but I'll do it. Try. Okay. Wow, that's perfect. Okay. And now I will pour it into the bowl. I'm at the bowl, not the pot. Step 5, take first object and dunk into bowl. First object will be sponge. Okay, now that I've got my water soaked in this sponge well, I will squeeze it into my measuring cup and see how much water it has absorbed. $50 milliliters. And now I could pour this. I will do step 7 for my procedure. Record amount of water in milliliter journal, then dump water from bowl into empty pot with objects. Do that. And then I will record amount of data. 50 milliliters. Sponge. Okay, now that I've got that done, I do step 8. I'm at step 7 again. Okay. Now I will take another object and dunk into water. But first, I have to do my measuring cup thing. Okay. Now that I've got 1 cup, I will now pour it into a bowl. And now I will dunk the sock into the bowl. Okay, now I'm going to squirt it into the measuring cup. Okay, now that I've got all the water out, check how much milliliters it have absorbed. It has absorbed 40 milliliters. I'll dump the water out now. I'll get a paper towel, but first I have to do a cup again. 1 cup. Now that I've got 1 cup, I will now pour it into a bowl. And now I will dunk the paper towel into the bowl. Squeeze it into my measuring cup. From that, I'll check how much I've done. 50 milliliters again. I'm still going to do the data. My data was 50 milliliters for the paper towel. Now that I've done that, I will take another object again, which is going to be my white paper. But first I have to do my measuring cup. Okay, so I have to pour 8 ounces or a cup in it. Now that I've got a cup, I will pour it into the bowl. Get my white paper and dunk it in. But it doesn't look like it's absorbing a lot. A little. And now I will see how much it has absorbed in the measuring cup. It has absorbed 20 milliliters. And now I'm going to write it. But first I have to pour it all out. I will write 20 milliliters. Now I will do that again. I'm getting really used to this. And then I'll take my last object and dunk it. Wow, it's really getting that water. All the water is getting absorbed and we're running out. Wow. I should have, well, this was going to absorb the most water. This absorbed the most water. And I think because it's the biggest, probably that's why it absorbed the most water. And I think it's probably like, it's mostly like made for that. Oh my gosh. It has absorbed 120 milliliters. My prediction was wrong. Well, a little little bit was right. The white paper absorbed the least water, but the sponge absorbed. It didn't really absorb the most. Now that I've done that, step 8, the final step finally. After measuring all objects, see which one has absorbed the most water. So the sponge has absorbed 50 milliliters, the sock absorbed 40 milliliters, the paper towel absorbed 50 milliliters, the white paper absorbed 20 milliliters, and the hand towel absorbed 120 milliliters. I wrote the data and I made a bar graph to show the data. The hand towel absorbed the most water because it's bigger and it has the ability to absorb the more water. And the white paper absorbed the least because it doesn't really have any holes in it, so it can't really absorb any water. Bye.
Good job.